Schwinkern. Yeah.
So, yeah, pulling this shit out. The bolt and then smack pulled me.
Oh. Heyo.
Yeah.
Yeah. She gone. The contender. Heyo.
Alright, back to this garage project. I got a footing poured. I went 8 to 10 inches deep. Didn't go too crazy. It's all pretty messed up anyways, so I'm really just trying to make it last for a few more years. It's kind of grandfathered in, so. But I got her leveled. As you see, I got a railroad tie on there. That's going to be my sill beam. I'm going to run a 2x6 on top and run some stringers up to this wall. And this here is going to be instead of a window, I'm going to make it a door so I can get in and out with some larger stuff later. So the plan is to dig this out today, cut this beam, get that out of there, repair it, and form it up and pour a better cookie than that. If you can see that, that's yeah, 4-incher. So yeah, that's the plan. Pour another footing today and get this all wrapped up. Make this but the plan is to use the window over there that I took out of here. It's just like this one. I'm gonna make that the door, a little bit of skirting on the bottom. So I think that'll be a pretty cool glass door. Thanks for watching. Little praying mantis action. Pretty red one. Cool.